Hello everyone, happy Easter. I hope you're all having a great day, and today I'm going to be doing another squishy tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you how to make this hot cross bun squishy. And I think this looks pretty realistic. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy, and let's get started. So first what I did was I drew the shape onto the foam, and it's basically just like a rounded square shape, and it doesn't have to look perfect. And you can make it as big or as small as you want. So next we're going to start cutting this out. So here's what the shape looks like so far. So basically what you want to do is you just want to make straight cuts all the way around it, like so. So that way it looks kind of the same on both sides. And again, it doesn't have to look completely smooth. So next what you want to do is you want to start smoothing off the shape. So you just want to start making curved cuts on the top, like so. And you just want to smooth it off with your scissors. So basically like that. So I'm just going to finish this and I'll be right back. So here's what it looks like once I've finished rounding off the top. So next what I did was I drew a cross in the centre of the bun using a pen, and I just used an image of a hot cross bun as reference. And then what you want to do is you just want to cut along the lines like so. And then you just want to smooth it off. So that way it looks a little bit more like 3D, I guess. So I'm just going to finish this. So here's what it looks like once I finish cutting off all of the pen lines. And then I just smoothed it off using my scissors. And again, it doesn't have to look perfect. So next what I did was I started smoothing off the edges near the bottom part of the bun. So all you want to do is you just want to make small cuts just around the edges like so. And then you just want to smooth it off. Just all the way around. And then what you want to do is you just want to make just some like indents at the bottom like so. So that way it looks like it has texture and it looks a little bit more like realistic. So basically like that. So I'm just going to finish this. So once you've done that, here is what it should look like. So as you can see, I smoothed off the edges. And I also made it look textured at the bottom. And I know it doesn't look that realistic, but that's fine. So now we can start painting it. So next what I did was I mixed white and a tiny bit of yellow and burnt sienna paint together, and I painted the whole thing. And I'm just using these images here as reference. So now moving on to the next step. So next what I did was I added some shading to the top part of the bun. So what I did was I just mixed yellow and white paint together, and I also mixed in a little bit of burnt sienna paint, and I just dabbed it on top of the bun using just a sponge brush. And then I added some darker shading just using the burnt sienna colour. So I just did it for the whole top part of the bun, and I think it looks pretty realistic so far. So now moving on to the next step. So lastly what I did was I painted on the raisins using my black puffy paint. So you just want to paint them in just random areas all over the bun. And I also painted some on the sides of the bun as well. And I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. So now you just want to let this dry and then your squishy will be done. So here it is once it is all dry. And I also ended up painting on some more raisins on the bottom part of the bun using my black puffy paint. And it did get a little bit smudged here, but that's okay. And I'm really happy with how this turned out. And I think it looks pretty realistic. So yep, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and as always please feel free to request some more squishy tutorials you would like me to do in the comments below. And I really hope you enjoyed, and happy Easter everyone. Bye bye.